Hey guys. Wait, stop. There's a guy right there. See this bunker? This wood bunker right here?
Yeah.
His head is right above it in the wood pile, way back. See him looking at us? See him moving?
Yeah.
That might have been the guy who was shooting at us. Looking. Yeah. What the hell is that? Yeah.
Where they at?
One right in front of me.
Okay. Bottom of the fire,
See right on top of this bunker?
Yeah.
You can see his head. He's a black little silhouette. About 50 feet past the bunker. That guy just walked in front of him.
Alright, so double R, you have limited ammo in that gun.
There he is, see him? I wonder if that bunker's good. Over there.
You want to go to that bunker?
I might, yeah.
I can give you cover for it. We're losing
Wicked.
a lot of guys on our right flank.
We're losing a lot?
There's 2 more walking back.
Oh, fuck.
I'm going to go check our pass.
Holy shit, we are losing a lot of guys. We might be getting flanked in Rubber Road, boys. Alright. I'm pulling back a bit, Rob.
Yep. That's permanent. You want to pull back, because Richard's got my eyes again.
Yo. Oh, good, we got it. Okay, sorry. There's a guy right there. Yeah, okay, he's about to shoot me. He's literally at your 12 o'clock. Maybe you're 1. He's kind of prone. See him? Nice. Beautiful. Good job.
First time out.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well done. Nice shooting. I think there's a lot of them down this way. There's a pit just on the other side of those bunkers, so they can pop up anytime. Move up a bit.
There's a family right in front of me.
What'd that happen? Thank you.